This video introduces how to install Toyo connector couplings in narrow spaces. Adjustable wrenches are used for installing or replacing currently available Toyo connector couplings. Let's see how the work is actually performed. The limited space makes adjusting the wrench and working with two hands difficult. As you can see, installing and replacing couplings in narrow spaces is difficult and takes time. Many customers have said that they would prefer a product that can be used with an open-ended wrench. To meet those requests, TOYOX is proud to introduce its newest couplings. Let's see how easy installation is with the new Toyo Connector Light couplings. Toyo Connector Light couplings can be used with open-ended wrenches for trouble-free installation with no slippage. The open-ended wrenches can also be used at an angle for easy use even with limited space. See how these new couplings can help improve efficiency at your site today.